me and Craig, we just got up to Kansas, and we're gonna try our hand at a little archery turkey hunting. So he got his first one last year. He killed a jake with his bow without a blind, and I missed one last year. So this year we're gonna give it another try and see what we can make happen. I think it'll be good. The turkey population's really come back the last couple of years, so we ought to have a good chance. Right off the bat this morning we got in here, and we was running a little bit behind, but it's still early enough. It's cloudy, good cloud cover, and the birds, they just started gobbling when we got down here, so we got set up. We decided to set up just around the corner from where they was roosted, and it worked out perfect. Like, first time I called, they gobbled right off the bat, all of them, and we knew that there was 4 strutters in here yesterday evening in the back corner of this field, and that's where they roosted at. And right off the bat, man, they come right around that corner, and I was just sitting here, and Craig's like, oh, right there, and his little long beard, and dude, I'm talking 6 yards, staring at us, but they didn't care. I mean, they looked at those DSDs, and they were just mesmerized, I guess, I don't know, but worked out perfect. My first bird with the bow, and first long beard with the bow. It's number 31 for me altogether, but I'm jacked. I can't believe it. First morning, got it done. So now it's Craig's turn. First, let's go get him one. We slipped in here, and the birds that we seen in this field last night, they were roosted right where we thought they probably did, and it worked out pretty good. They come right in. You know, I called a few times, and once they flew down, I really think it didn't take long, and they just walked right around the edge of the field. Come right in. Next thing I know, Craig's like right there, you know, long beard at 6 yards, and then here comes 3 more behind him. And the last one's actually the one that I ended up shooting. But he strutted around, put on the show for us. He's a good 2-year-old, and I couldn't be more pumped. I mean, it was the first bird I've shot with my bow, and it was an awesome experience. So we're gonna get back after it. And we're gonna try and get Craig one now. So things are looking up. Last night I wasn't so sure that we'd even kill one today. Things weren't looking that good, I didn't think, but hey, always happens when you least expect it, so.
was nothing but nerves. He started walking away and I panicked and just punched him in the release. It happens. Well, I am officially throwing in the towel, waving the white flag. I give up on this trip. I feel a little beat up by the turkeys, honestly. I missed one yesterday in the middle of the day, came in, should have had that one, and then this morning we roosted some birds last night. Thought they were on one side of the creek and got there this morning at dark and they were on the other side of the creek, so we drive around and get there, and sure enough they fly back across, and then we get down over here to another piece of property and have a gobbler work right up to us. He slips around us and it's been tough. Luckily first morning Robert was able to get one in like the first 15 minutes, but I just struggled the last couple of days to be able to make it happen. So for this trip I'm done, and hopefully when we come back here in a couple of weeks, the birds will react a little bit better to the calls and the decoys, and we'll have some better luck. Well, I know I just said that we were done, but we actually just heard two gobblers we were chasing earlier, and it sounds like they're still up on top of this ridge, so I think we're going to try and sneak up over the top of this and check it out on our way out. Cannot. We literally just sat down there and I shot commentary talking about how we were headed home and how I just got my butt kicked by the turkey this weekend, and we're walking up and all of a sudden Robert's like, knock an arrow, and sure enough, there's 2 longbeards come on the field edge. I stand up 30 yards, and I mean, just drill them. I cannot believe that just happened. We were literally walking out of here to leave to drive back to Arkansas, and now I got a turkey I got clean. What a way to bookend the trip. Robert killed his the first morning we were here within the first 15 minutes of daylight, and you know, we had a lot of ups and downs in between. I had a miss yesterday, and to end it in the last few minutes with my first longbeard ever, that was just quite a way to start and end this trip.
I got little reason to be changing my ways. What's done is